Capture reference image. Place a reference object under the microscope and move the reference indicators to a suitable location. Press the button and place a sample object under the camera. The reference image will now display transparent on top of the live sample image. The captured sample image will be auto-aligned to match the fixed points of the reference image. Capture a sample image without aligning it to the reference image. Press to view the reference image. View the sample image. Automatically switch between the reference image and the captured sample image with a 1-second interval. Get a side-by-side view of the reference and sample images displayed next to each other. Pan and zoom in on the reference and sample images. Choose between Fit to Screen, ×1, ×2, ×3, or ×4. A red pointer will indicate the arrow location on the other image. Double-click the left or right image to switch between live, reference, and sample image. Double-click on the vertical line to swap the left and right image. Name and save the captured reference image. Name and save the captured sample image. View the live camera image. Press the star icon to name and save a template. Recall a template by pressing the drop-down menu and choose the wanted template. Activate Annotation menu bar. This function makes it possible to add text annotations anywhere in the window. Use the keyboard to type the text. Move the text box to the wanted location and left-click the mouse to confirm the position. With this tool, it is possible to add arrow annotations anywhere in the window. Use the left mouse button to place the endpoints. Use this function to set the colors for drawings and text before using a tool. Drag an ellipses by holding the left mouse key down and dragging the mouse to create the wanted ellipses size. Create a circle annotation by holding Shift down on the keyboard. Clear all annotations.